Lions are very important wild animals. Panthera leo, large, powerfully built cat that is second in size only to the tiger. The proverbial king of beasts, lions are most active at night and live in a variety of habitats but prefer grassland. The lion is a well-muscled cat with a long body, large head, and short legs. Size and appearance vary considerably between the sexes. The male's outstanding characteristic is his mane, which varies between different individuals in populations. It may be entirely lacking, it may fringe the face, or it may be full and shaggy, covering the back of the head, neck, and shoulders and continuing onto the throat and chest to join a fringe along the belly. Lions are different from other cats because they live in large social groups, and are the only cats to do so. Other cats are generally solitary, which means they live alone most of the time. Lion habitat is grasslands and open woodlands where there are belts of trees and bush near rivers. They are rarely found in forests with a thick canopy. Lions are often called king of the jungle, but they actually live on grasslands. Lions mostly live in a group. A group of lions is called a pride, generally consisting of up to around 15, but can be up to about 30 or more lions, mostly females that are related. One male, or sometimes 2 or 3 males, join a pride and stay for a period of time, usually about 3 years or until another male or group of males take over the pride. A pride is territorial, and the males mark the territory with scent and by roaring. Roaring is also a way for members of a pride to stay in touch when they are in different parts of their territory. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away, and close to the roaring lion, the grass flattens and leaves move on the trees from the force of the sound. Because meat is filling, carnivores don't need to eat every day and rest to let their food digest. Lions spend about 20 hours a day sleeping. The habitat of Asiatic lions is very harsh, and prey is more scarce, so they live in smaller prides with fewer mouths to feed. They rarely have more than 2 females in a pride. The males are less social than African lion males, and only associate with the pride for feeding and for mating. Lions are generally a light, yellowish-brown color. Male African lions have a long thick hair called a mane on their heads, cheeks and throat, and often on shoulders and belly also, while females do not. The manes protect them from bites and wounds while fighting. A darker mane indicates an older lion. On average, the males are about 3 meters long, and females about 2.5 meters long, both with tails of about 100 centimeters. There is a tuft of fur at the end of the tail. Males weigh about 250 kilograms and females about 180 kilograms. Lions are carnivores, which means they eat meat. The females do almost all of the hunting, generally working as a team. They hunt animals such as wildebeest, waterbuck, zebra, impala, and sometimes giraffe. They will also feed on smaller animals such as hares, birds, and reptiles. Lions can run at about 35 kilometers per hour but only in short bursts. Therefore they work as a team to stalk and capture prey, so that as one tires, another takes the lead. Lions have excellent vision and can spot prey at some distance. They depend on stalking to get as close as possible to their prey before having to chase. The pads on their feet enable them to move soundlessly. Their sharp, retractable claws are important for seizing and holding prey. Retractable means they can pull them in or have them out when needed. This keeps them sharper. Males eat first, then the females, and lastly the cubs. Lions can eat up to around 40 kilograms of meat at one meal. Then they don't need to hunt or eat for a couple of days. Lions can therefore spend a great deal of time sleeping. About 100 to 119 days after mating with a male, a female lion gives birth to about 2 or 3 cubs. Young cubs are marked with light spots which gradually disappear as they grow. After a few weeks they begin eating meat. The cubs remain with their mother for at least 2 years. They begin hunting at 11 months. Cubs play with each other and with adult members of the pride, including males. When females go off to hunt, one will stay to babysit all the cubs of the pride. When male cubs are about 1 year old, they leave the pride and become rogue males until they are older and stronger and able to fight and take over a pride, driving out the male or males they have defeated. When a new male takes over a pride, one of the first things he does is to kill all the cubs. He then mates with the females so that in a few months all the cubs in the pride will be his young. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos.